Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from brameshtechanalysis.com. I hope every one of you watching the video is doing good, staying safe. So in this video, it is more like a trading tutorial where I'll show you certain time cycles for which we don't require any software. I mean, a simple website like TradingView, investing.com, or whatever broker you work on, if they provide good charting software, we can use that to find important time cycles. So there are certain numbers which are, which works in nature a lot, and they're called as angel numbers. You can Google them and you can read on Wikipedia. There are a lot of angel numbers, but one number which works very good, especially in Indian markets, is number 99. It's a very, very important number, very unique number because 9 is end of a series of all the natural numbers. So very, very important thing. And 99, bars or 99 days. So it can be a 99 trading days or 99 calendar days. Both will have their equal effect. 99 bars, I mean bars for which we require, softwares like TradingView. I mean simple websites like TradingView or any charting software which we can use. And for 99 calendar days also you can use TradingView, and that simple calculations can be done in Excel. So I'll just show you how you can. Now we have a holiday, coming for next, like today is a holiday and tomorrow trading will be very light. And Saturday, Sunday, you can spend time in, implementing this strategy and see how it is working out. So what this strategy says is you capture any major high and low in the market. Like if you can see here, this was a major bottom. After that, the market was just rallying, rallying, rallying. So I'm using TradingView. No software is required, nothing. You just click here and there is an option called date range. You come here and this is a bottom. From there, I'll just calculate 99 bars. Okay. And this is where the 99 bar is coming. You know, what is the date? So the date which is coming is 16th February, which was the, so you can see here, it made an exact top on this day, and after that, the index has been going down only. Let's take another example. Let's go back and see whether, it was just a fluke or does it really work. So if you can see here, this was a major bottom, or we can take a major top. This was a major top. So I'll come here. I click on the date range again and I calculate 99 bars from here. This is the 99 bar, and you can see here again this was a major bottom, and from there the market has been rallying. Another example, let's take it from the bottom of 24th March and again calculate the 99th bar. 98, 99. See again major bottom, and from there the market has been rallying, 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 and it fell down. So this is how this simple strategy can, I mean, now you get an important trend changing point. Like we made a bottom here, major bottom in December. So if I calculate 99 buyers from here, what date it is coming to, let's see. And if I calculate 99 bars, 99 bars will come at 19th May. 19th May, again, it is an important astro date also. Wednesday, very, very important day because 19 and 20 there is sun ingress also. So this is a simple way you can apply this technique. You can apply it to any stock of your choice. So let me give you an example. I have already done it. So this was the major top in Reliance here, and I calculate 99 bars. 99 and multiple of 99 is 198 bar. It will come at exactly at this top. Where we made a major top in Reliance. Similarly, if I calculate 99 bars from this top, it comes here. It was a major bottom. From there, the stock has been rallying. So simple technique. Let me take an example of Tata Steel, one of the hottest stock currently. If you can see here. This was a major top, 198 bar came somewhere here, and from there a major bottom, and the stock has been rallying one-sided. So now once you get this point, then till the next bar, next time cycle, you can continue or write the move So this is mostly from the trading perspective. So you basically you can write the move like we can take one more example. This was a major bottom. So I come here, 99% multiples of 99 is what we are focusing on. So I come here, click on date range. This was the bottom. From there we calculate 99 bar will come on which day. It will come on 25th June. Important time cycle date for Tata Steel. This is how you find the major important dates for Tata Steel where you see a major tops and bottoms and you can do it. The same thing can be applied even on a weekly chart or a 1 hour chart also. Let me show you first on a 1 hour chart. Now on a 1 hour chart, this is a major bottom on 19th March. You come down here, click on date range and calculate 99 bar. A kind of small top which it has formed here. So basically this candle's high and low are very important. It broke the bottom, you can go short. So the low was 873. From 873 to almost 845% kind of move. And once this high was breached, you can again go long. After 99 bar, we can look for the 198 bar, which is multiple of 99. Every time it doesn't work, it is not an holy grail. See again 198 bar, a perfect top. From there, the stock has been correcting, and once this high was broken here, from there one-sided rally came in. It can be applied on any time frame. You can apply on daily, weekly, monthly. Let me give you an example of Bank Nifty now on a monthly time frame. I go here. I mean, you have to wait for this. So these are high probability trade setup. So you have to wait for these levels to come in for you to even initiate the trade. So I'll just delete or remove all the drawings where we made a major bottom. We made it here somewhere in 2009. Right? I come down here. I go to the date range. I select here and I calculate the 99th bar. See here, perfect bottom. And from there, Bank Nifty has been slow and steady rising only, but it never breached this low. Right? So this is how simple ways. And once this low was breached here, you see a one-sided fall. I mean, this can be applied till the next, these levels are valid. And once this high was breached here, one-sided rally came in. So very simple strategy using the 99th bar. Now, a simple exercise for you guys. So, Gann used to follow a 20-year cycle also. So this is something which you can start implementing. I'll try to make a detailed video on that, but I'll give you a very simple example of a 20-year cycle. So like if I go to 20 years, so now we are in 2001. So I go to, 2021. So minus 20 is 2001, 01, 01. Sorry, 2001. 2001 slash 01 slash 01. Okay, so this is 2001. Now Nifty made a major top where it has made on 16 Feb 01. So 16 Feb 2001 will be very important. And then in made a bottom somewhere here in 12th April. This will be again an important date. And 30th May, another important date. Right? 16th May, 16th February, 16th April, and 30th May. So let's go to 2021 and see what has happened there. So this is something which you can, apply on stocks also. So now see here. First thing is 16th February 2021, a major top. Then 16th April. This is 8th, 12th, 16th, another top only. And then 30th May, which will come here. So this is how you can combine. So now this was the 99th bar, and this is where you have that 20-year cycle also. Major top has been made. So you can, even if you can write this move till here, you can easily make 800,000 points. Right here, the 16th March, it didn't give a major move, but still, if this low, it opened basically in gap down. But if you know this cycle, a doji candle, you can short the market. So a simple way of finding major highs and lows in the market. This is a very simple strategy. You just have to follow. the 99th bar, and the same can be applied in using 99 trading calendar days also. Probably I'll try to make another video for that. So try to practice this strategy. Let me know if you have any questions. You can put in the comment section, and keep learning, keep trading with discipline, and trade with the right position size. Thank you, guys.